Hi friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny tidy Tuesday. I am just finishing up putting on a little bit of makeup, and I thought for this tiny tidy, I have a few things that I need to do this afternoon. I need to clean out the sink and the countertops in my kitchen. I need to clean out my pajama drawer, and I need to fold some laundry. So I thought, why not join in with me and hopefully give you guys some tiny tidying motivation today. As always, Tiny Tidy is hosted by my sweet friend here on YouTube. Her name is Sunday Dawn. I will list her channel in my description box below. Her channel is The Helpful Home, and I will also link today's Tiny Tidy playlist. And today's Tiny Tidy is actually a very special Tiny Tidy, and I will talk to you about that when I'm folding laundry. So let's go into my kitchen and again, just clean out the sink and wipe down the countertops. Just a small little tidy, but it will make a big impact.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me. And the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. Fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. Fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
Something about you isn't right. I swear you can make me lose my mind. Lying here awake at night. If this is love, then I don't want it. Why you gotta be so complicated? I'm sick and tired of contemplating. I don't wanna be here waiting. If this is love, then I don't want it. I can't be the one you keep always be there when something's wrong. I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore. I can't depend on you now. I can't rely on you. Why is everything so problematic? Why are you acting so neglected? It feels so cold and unaffected. Swear to God that I don't want this. No. Something about you isn't right. Swear you can make me lose my mind. Lying here awake at night. If this is love, then I don't want it. I can't be the one you keep running to whenever you feel down. I can't be that someone who'll always be there when something's wrong. I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore. I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore. I can't depend on you now. I can't rely.
So now I'm in my bedroom and I am slowly going through my drawers, and I want to go through this one today. This is my pajama drawer, PJ drawer, whatever you call them, your sleeping stuff. I have a couple of items that I need to declutter. I'm going to take everything out, then I'm going to wipe the inside of the drawer down, and then I'm going to put everything back.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body. We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. The way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
So I just quickly wanted to show you the couple that I chose to declutter. This little PJ set, and I'm gonna throw these away because they're coming apart. I absolutely loved these. I wore them like every night for months. So these are just going to go in the trash can because I don't even think I can donate them at this point, but they're so soft because they've been worn so much, so hard to part with. And then I am also donating this little set, same kind of thing. It had a top and some bottoms, trimmed in pink, really cute. I like it aesthetically. It's really pretty, but it tends to get really hot at night. So I am going to actually donate these because I think I tried to wear them like 3 or 4 times, and every time I tried, I ended up getting up in the middle of the night and changing out of these. So I think I can safely donate these. So I have one item to donate and one to just go ahead and throw in the trash. Okay, so as I sit here and fold my laundry, I just want to talk to you guys for just a minute about how sometimes we have to make choices, and sometimes the choices are not even the choices that we really want to make. But sometimes life just gets busy and we're all in different stages of life. For me, remodeling the house, it's been a total process. And in my mind, when we first began, I was like, I'm gonna have so much YouTube content. I'm gonna do a video of this and a video of that and a video of this and that. And I had all of these high, great expectations. However, as the renovations continued, I found that I had less and less time, and I had to decide where to put my time and energy. And for me, YouTube it's my creative outlet. It's my way to connect with you guys, but sometimes I have to step away because I have to make sure I'm taking care of my needs, my family's needs, and so sometimes I just have to back away from YouTube for a while. And if you've noticed, I've backed away. I have not done a tiny tidy in a hot minute because we're still doing renovations, and it is just so time consuming. And I love making videos and I miss making videos, but sometimes I just have to do the best thing for me, and I have to just kind of look and see, okay, what do I have that I could just let go of for a while? So Sunday is in a different life stage, and she had to make some tough decisions and decide what she could control or let go of for a while. And she has decided to step away from Tiny Tidy Tuesdays until January, and hopefully we will resume in January. This is just kind of like a hiatus. And you know, I personally love doing tiny tidies, so I will probably continue to do them. Probably, will I do them every week? I'm not sure, because every time I make a video, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this, and then the renovations get hectic and busy, and I do not have time, but I know that I will continue to do tiny tidies. And I just want to really commend Sunday Dawn for making a choice that was a hard choice and just stepping away from YouTube for a bit to take care of her, like everything in her life. And that just takes such strength and just shows her character, because my goodness, we started tiny tidies, is it like almost 3 years ago now? So to give that up, I really commend her for that. It's not like she's giving it up permanently, because we will be back, but to just walk away from doing tiny tidies, I think like there was one time that she could not post in all of those years. There was one time that she could not post a video. And Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple actually took over the hosting duties that day. So I just want to thank you so much, Sunday Dawn, for putting tiny tidies together each and every Tuesday. And I also want to thank those of you that came up with the concept of Tiny Tidy itself. And I think that we have helped so many people each week just get stuff done, and we've motivated, and we've done so many things. And yeah, so I just want to tell you, Sunday, that from the bottom of my heart, I love and appreciate you for all that you do for our YouTube family here at Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. And these are going to be a long 2 months without you, but I wish you all the best and nothing but love from me. I just want to thank you guys for spending some time with me today and doing a few tiny tidies with me. And I will see you guys in the next one. I cannot wait to update you guys on my renovations. And just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.